Hey there. Today, I want to talk about something that affects all of us: managing time effectively. We all have 24 hours in a day, but sometimes it feels like there's just not enough time to get everything done. So how can we make the most of the time we have? Let's dive in. The first step to managing time effectively is to prioritize your tasks. Take a moment to think about what really needs to get done and what can be put on the back burner. By doing this, you can identify the most important tasks that require your immediate attention. This will help you allocate your time and energy more efficiently. Now, let's talk about setting goals. Having clear and specific goals can greatly improve your time management skills. When you know exactly what you want to achieve, it becomes easier to stay focused and motivated. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps and set realistic deadlines for each of them. This way, you'll be able to track your progress and stay on track. Next up, let's talk about planning and organizing. One of the best ways to manage your time effectively is by creating a schedule or a to-do list. This will give you a clear overview of your tasks and help you stay organized. Start by jotting down all the tasks you need to complete and assign them specific time slots. Be mindful of how long each task will take and avoid overcommitting yourself. Remember, it's important to give yourself some breathing room in your schedule to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Another important aspect of managing time effectively is to eliminate distractions. In today's digital age, it's so easy to get sidetracked by social media, emails, and other notifications. Set boundaries for yourself and minimize distractions during your focused work time. Consider turning off notifications or using apps that block certain websites or apps for a designated period. By doing this, you can create a more productive work environment and be able to concentrate on the tasks at hand. Let's also talk about the power of delegation. You don't have to do it all on your own. Learn to delegate tasks to others, whether it's at work or in your personal life. Delegating not only helps you save time, but it also allows others to contribute and grow. Identify tasks that can be done by someone else, clearly communicate your expectations, and trust in their abilities. Remember, you don't have to carry the entire workload on your shoulders. Now, let's discuss the importance of taking breaks. It may seem counterintuitive, but taking regular breaks throughout the day can actually boost your productivity. Our brains can only stay focused for a certain period before they start to lose steam. By incorporating short breaks into your schedule, you give yourself a chance to recharge and come back to your tasks with renewed energy and focus. Get up, stretch, take a walk, or engage in activities that help you relax and clear your mind. Speaking of relaxation, let's touch on the significance of self-care. It's easy to neglect ourselves when we're trying to manage our time effectively, but taking care of our physical and mental well-being is crucial for optimal productivity. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating nutritious meals, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Remember, when you take care of yourself, you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges and tasks that come your way. Lastly, I want to emphasize the importance of flexibility. While planning and organizing are essential, it's important to be adaptable and open to change. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected things can throw off your perfectly planned schedule. Instead of getting frustrated, embrace the unexpected and be willing to adjust your plans accordingly. Being flexible allows you to flow with the changes and find alternative solutions, keeping you on track and minimizing stress. So there you have it, some tips on managing time effectively. Remember, it's not about having more time, but rather using the time you have wisely. Prioritize your tasks, set clear goals, plan and organize, eliminate distractions, delegate, take breaks, practice self-care, and be flexible. By incorporating these strategies into your life, you'll be well on your way to becoming a master of time management. Good luck!